How to create a PDF book cover for Amazon KDP on Canva. So go ahead and open your browser. Canva helps you design everything from posters, flyers, stories, even resumes, magazine covers, banners, logos, and presentations instantly. So even if you're starting from zero and you have no experience in graphic design, Canva is an easy and accessible tool that is available for free. Now, to use this, simply click on Create a Design. Here, you will be able to choose or customize the dimensions of your book cover. So, determine the dimensions for your book cover based on the platform where you'll be publishing the book. Standard sizes are typically 6 by 9 inches. It is for novels, but you can check the guidelines of your publishing platform. So, the platform that we'll be using for this video is Amazon KDP. So, you can use the website called KDP Cover Calculator to get the margins and exact size that you should make in order to make your book cover the right size. So, once you have the correct size for your book, the next thing to do is to understand your book. Before you start designing, make sure that you understand the theme and the importance and the message of your book. What is its genre and mood? This will help you create a cover that resonates with its content. So let's say that I'll be designing for a book titled Eyes, which is a story about a girl who can see the past and future for everyone she touches. So from there, I'll be deciding on the color palette, the main object, the title, the text, and everything that will be on my book cover. It is important to have the right color, text, and elements on your book cover because a well designed cover that accurately reflects the genre, mood, and theme of the book helps set the right expectations, especially for the readers. So, if your cover doesn't match the content, the readers may be disappointed and feel misled. So, for example, it is obviously not right to have animal vectors on my book cover since it's pretty serious book. So once you have decided on your theme, the next step is to gather resources. You can find or you can create high resolution images related to your book's theme, characters, or setting. You can use AI generating tools, especially now. AI tools are actually great, or you can shoot your own photo, or you can draw it yourself. You can also pay other artists to make your photo. Just make sure that you don't steal photos online. So I have here an image of an eye because I want this to be my main subject. So let's put this in. Next step is to find fonts that match the tone of your book. Serif fonts often work well with traditional genres, while sans serif fonts can be more modern. In Canva, there are readily available font combinations, but you can also use Pinterest to find more font combinations to use. Just make sure that you are using readable and clean fonts. Now, moving on to the layout of the design elements. First is the background. Make sure to start with a background image or a color that sets the tone for your book. So in my case, my image is just a solid color, so I will use a textured background. Next is the title and the author name. I will use a combination from Canva to type in my title. So just add a heading, type in your title, and again, my title is Eyes. And then we can just adjust its placement, its size, and then click here to choose your font if ever you are going to change it. And the next thing that you can add to improve your PDF book cover is to add a subtitle or just a short tagline. This will attract more readers just by looking at your cover. This could also be a short teaser of what's happening on the book. And then another element that you can use is graphics or icons. You can use graphic elements that enhance the design, but always keep in mind to don't overcrowd the cover. So if you're using Canva, you can just go to the tab here on the left side and then click on elements. Here you can see stickers, images, and shapes that you can use that is readily available in here. So you just need to type in certain words. So let's say I want a mountain. I'll just type that in, and as you can see, here are the results that you can use. Just make sure that you are not using stickers with the crown icon in Canva, especially if you're using the free version. Since I want a minimalist book cover, I will not add vibrant stickers and graphics, but you can freely use and add some if you want to. Now, the last thing to consider in your book cover is the spacing. Ensure that your design has proper spacing and proper alignment. The elements should be balanced and not cluttered. Once you have your design finalized, save your cover as a PDF or a PNG. In my case, I'll save it as PNG. So to do that, just click on the share button, find the download icon, and from here, just select the file type. After all of that, and once you have your file of your book cover, this is not required, but this could help in marketing your book if ever you are selling it online. So you can consider creating a 3D mock-up for your book cover to showcase it in a realistic context. Again, this can be useful for marketing, but this is not required. You can use this site called diybookcovers.com/3D mockups. This provides an easier way for us to do it. In here, click on the book design and then choose the 3D mockups. You have the option to choose between single and composite models, so I'd like to choose the single model since it looks cleaner and it is easier to design. Now in here, just choose what angle or what placement you want, tap on it, and then proceed to the next button. In this page, click on upload and then choose the image that we edited a while ago and then click on upload button. This may take a while, but just wait for it to load 100% and then click on next. Now scroll down and choose if you want a PNG or a JPEG version of your 3D mockup, and after clicking on one, it will immediately download on your device. And as you can see, the layout is now printed on the 3D mockup of the book. You can then adjust any details that you might not like from here. And remember that the cover is the first impression that your book makes. So take your time to create something that effectively captures the essence of the book. If design isn't your strong suit, consider hiring a professional graphic designer to bring your vision to life. So that is how to create a PDF book cover for Amazon KDP on Canva. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.